This tutorial will explain how to conduct a DOT or PM inspection utilizing the Alpha MUTT's diagnostic software suite. The first step is to click DOT PM Inspections. As you can see, we can choose between any template we've previously created. For this report, we're going to select Trailer. We enter the unit number and repair order number. Click Begin Inspection and Confirm. If the business has been used previously, you may select it and autofill the information. Otherwise, enter the business information here. Now, we enter the vehicle information: VIN, location plate, location, hours, hub reading, and as well as owner of vehicle. Once all information has been entered, click Next to begin your report. As you begin your report, you can select whether that step is unsatisfactory, has been serviced, checked OK, or is out of service. You can also leave comments for each individual field, as well as take pictures of each checkpoint along the way. Once added, these comments and images will be auto-saved into the selected section. Once the inspection is completed, it will be saved as a CSV file and can be accessed later.